changes.The, how to play. The rules are the same as regular chess, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to capture your opponent's king. There is no check, checkmate, or stalemate. The king can remain in check, move under check, and can even capture the opponent's king. On your turn to move, you must roll 3 dice. Each die symbol determines which pieces you can move. Pieces that are available to move will have a green highlight around them. When a piece is selected, there will be hints on where to go. With each turn, you will make up to 3 moves and must perform the maximum number of moves possible. This rule will create situations where you will be limited in which pieces you can move. The only exception for this would be if you can capture your opponent's king. Then you do not need to perform the maximum number of moves. To castle, you must roll both the king and rook. You are allowed to castle while the king is threatened. Pawns promote like normal unless the promotion would allow more possible moves to be made. In that case, the pawn only promotes to the rolled piece. En passant is allowed as usual, but you must roll a pawn and perform en passant on the very next turn. If you don't, you may not use en passant later. If you feel confident, you can play in the 2x mode. This mode allows you to double the bet by pressing the 2x button before rolling the dice. Your opponent can accept and continue the game or decline the offer and resign. Once you've offered a double, you won't be able to do it again until after your opponent offers a double. If the game's bank exceeds your balance, you won't be able to accept the double anymore and will have to resign. Additionally, you can't join a game with a bet higher than your balance. Check out changes.The, where you can play online for free. You can play with other players, train with a bot, participate in tournaments, and win prizes.